Portable consoles are great. They have great games and table is not needed. What about PC? There are handheld PCs on the market, and Steam Deck will come soon, but they have batteries, screen resolution and other limitations. I wanted to try something different. I have old iPad 3 with old connector and broken glass. Controller boards for LCD displays are available, so I needed to take iPad screen and create case model for 3D printing. This controller board has two hotspots, so case should have enough airflow. I created 4 components for screen case: front, rear, buttons holder and cover. Black electrical tape was needed to avoid light leakage in the screen corners. Let's test with Raspberry Pi. Screen resolution is correct. A 5th component for this project is holder for Xbox controller. Total weight with controller 652 grams. $5-meter HDMI cable is enough for me, but it can be longer. For sound I can use headphone jack on Xbox controller or wireless headphones. Xbox controller can be used as a mouse. I can press these 2 buttons and I'm in Windows. This is possible with application Gopher 360. Let's start. Sometimes you have to destroy something in order to build something better.